Wait, is that Dane fam? Life been good to me, I cannot lie. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. You cannot tell me that I ain't blessed. You cannot tell me that I ain't fly. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. You cannot tell me that I ain't fresh. You cannot tell me that I ain't fly. I was at the park, baby, I was outside. It's that new Dane fam, niggas say about time. When you make your own lane, you don't gotta wait in line. I don't care about theirs, only care about mine. Pay rent, pay tolls, pay fines. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. You cannot tell me that I ain't blessed. You cannot tell me that I ain't fly. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. Life been good to me, I cannot lie. You cannot tell me that I ain't blessed. You cannot tell me that I ain't fly.
That is pool party Finesse. I'm hurting them out for legends. We gonna see how he's gonna go. What's calling that? It sounds like it. It doesn't sound like it.
I see how you got it listening to.
Yeah. Boy Bacon. Huh? That boy Bacon. Nothing. Nigga back sweaty as shit. My butt sweaty as shit too.
I need the bottles and the cups in the air right now, Lavinga. Put it in the air. Why the cups are up in the air? Can y'all hear me? Because no one's following instructions but the people right here. I need y'all cups in the air. So I need your cup in the air. With my titties out. My cup in the air.
Too much. When your friends on what we got going on, bitch, keep that on the hush. I got a thing. I don't really hang with bitches. But if you see me with them 9 times out of 10, I'm buying them bitches.
Has party favors. You have a red bandana. You have a cup that has a red hot rodeo logo. And you got some cute little frames like rodeo glass. Okay, fellas, welcome to the party. Welcome to the red hot rodeo. 1, 2, 3. Y'all not high? Take a shot.
Nobody said nothing.
Well. If it isn't butter. To everybody that just walked in, please get yourself a plate. Please keep your weed smoke in the back. And if you're not turned up enough, I need you to take a fucking shot. That is a bitch.
I sling that wood, I just nunchuck. I know who you with and what's your name. If you not him, I'm Wale. And that DC shit, I rap all day. I'm out high brand cause I'm all that hate. Don't blow my
Just gonna text message right now.
Shit like some cake, me, bitch. Suck my balls, don't cheat me. Why you being weird to me? Put your ass on my face till I get pink eye. Fuck you in the work, I'm that type got at the church on the plate.
Lost make sure Betty. Transport fund.
Oh, you went to a pool party, that's wild. I said, I don't even know what the fuck it was.
What you do, as long as it's not something crazy. Hey, I want to thank y'all for coming out to the Red Hot Rodeo. We worked really hard on this once again. It's on a smaller scale this year, but, you know, we like it like this. So I need for everybody to turn up. Don't be all afraid, sitting in the grass. The girls is going to shake that ass. So get in the motherfucking pool and let's turn up, all right? So on the count of 3, I'm going to say, well, all of y'all going to say, y'all not hot. So, and you're going to take your shot, all right? 1, 2, 3. Y'all not hot? Take your shot. Somebody gonna come dance with me? Why is it gotta be for me by myself? Your boots are not on the ground. When I'm fans at? Volunteers that can swim and that don't mind in the being in the pool. We about to play Finish the Lyrics. That's crazy. Don't do that to her. Alright, so can I get some volunteers though? You gonna volunteer? Crying like a baby, you gonna volunteer? So I don't have no volunteers. Not getting in the pool is crazy. Y'all too cool for 2025 because last year the people was in the fucking pool and the year before that. So I don't know. I'm gonna let you rock your shit out right quick. Play for real, ask Bree for real. Alright, Bree. Fuck him up. Situation.
Oh, shit.
Will arise in a life, but you gotta be smart about it. With the guy, I sacrifice, but you gotta. Oh, take the shot, take the shot. She did do that on purpose. But since you're over here talking shit, Brooks, you're next. All right, Ma. Nah, Brooks, come here. Nah, Brooks, don't duck. Don't duck. Don't duck. Don't duck. Go ahead, Ma. Loved you. Brooks up. Brooks up. Sing it, Gerald.
Couldn't sleep without you. Thinking of all the time we shared.
Sing that shit. Coming over here to bother y'all. So somebody over here gonna finish the lyrics. I ain't talking about y'all. Come over here and think y'all to pick me.
I was sad and lonely. I remember when I walked out. I remember when I screamed I hate you.
Alright, Mo.
Deep inside still.
I got a new group of people. Yep.
I'm gonna let you. She don't know this already. And I say yes to me.
I don't know. Alright, damn.
You look at me.
No.
We need to get down. You don't know what I'm gonna make you see.
Go ahead, Mike.
In this room.
Pushing back.
Terrible. Alright, Mo. They slumming it up back here, but I got somebody special. I got Riggs. So give him something real good.
I wanna do real good.
No, they ain't got the damn mic, so that's why I ain't even talking too much. If I had the mic, it'd be a different story.
Hi, Kira.
I'm probably gonna do some narrating later.
Hey, Neil. Alright, Rez, it's on you.
Oh, you drop this stuff?
Ooh. You better come in hot. You better do what?
You about to sing?
Ooh. That's crazy. You better hold it too. You better do something.
Yeah, please.
Alright, I got a duet right here. Come on.
I got Neil with me, y'all, so she gonna do her thing, right? I'm gonna do some. If y'all know the words, I want y'all to sing it too. Say, sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for a lifetime? I'll be there when you need me. Just call and receive me.
Okay, Neil. Alright, that's our second winning group. I'll leave y'all alone today. I'm coming back. So y'all gotta finish the lyrics. Can you finish this song right here? So who can love you like me? Nobody. Who can bring you like me? Sing that shit.
Next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name.
Hey, he funny as shit. He's funny as. What if it was the person that lit on says the red party like shit? Apparently somebody left some period shit inside the blood tub toilet.
There's all types of people out here. There's Neil. Who's holding me? But I'm about to ring this bell, so y'all need to take a shot. Alright, bet? Alright. Count of 3. Y'all gotta say, y'all not hot. Hold on. Welcome. Hey, Tay. Period. I stink. Bitch, I've been waiting for you at the door. Alright, so y'all not hot on 3. 1, 2, 3. Y'all not hot.
South South is crazy.
When we go Trump City, want to tell me like. What? Hey, brother, what up? I'm looking for everybody that cheat on their baby father right now. Yeah, all of them. They don't know y'all came out here. Y'all snuck like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Give me the mic back.
Alright, on the count of 3, y'all gonna take a shot. 1, 2, 3. Y'all not hot. Take a shot. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, all right, you know. He's what? He's scared. They so ugly. I don't like no nigga that's scared of pussy. I like that bitch that's scared of pussy. Listen, hey, welcome to the Red Hot Rodeo. Again, we want to thank y'all for coming out. We appreciate y'all. Y'all look beautiful in y'all red. The sheriff hasn't gotten the pool yet. The sheriff said, fuck the pool. I am the pool. Hey, listen. So on the count of 3, we're going to take our shots. Adult Swim. On the count of 3, we're going to take our shots. And when I count to 3, y'all got to say, y'all not hot, and then take your shot. Can y'all do that for me, please? Can you do that for us? 1, 2. Chanelson. 1. Put y'all cups up. Y'all cups not up. Y'all bottles not up. Y'all cups not up. Cups. I need all the cups up around the building. I'm not gonna cut the music back on until y'all fucking put y'all motherfucking cups up. It don't matter when I cut that. Alright? So I'm gonna count to 3, Black. On the count of 3. What's up?
Tell Sarika put her beer in the air.
Alright, bro. Hey, put y'all drinks in the air. On the count of 3, we're gonna take these motherfucking shots. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Y'all not hot. Take
Somebody better tell them how you let me fuck. I don't want to hear about none of your business. Ain't no clock involved.
Hey, yeah, make that ass clap, Bree. Yeah, make that ass clap, Bree. Yeah, make that ass clap, B. Go see, go see, go see, go Bree.
You can't follow me. Keep up, can't stop. Sing up, yeah, bad man, killer. Some move, some rock, some liquor. Move, you.
That party was booty too. So that party was booty.
I tried, brother.
Nah, it was a lot of ass. But it was, even the person on the mic, she was having a stressful time trying.
Like, they already knew.
Yeah, that shit, you called it though. That shit was a motherfucking kickback.
Yeah. And then the DJ got a lot to do with it. He playing shit like that. Just chilling.
That was the whole shit. I was like, man, that shit ain't even.
When nobody want to hear that reggae, Afro beat, they want to dance.
He was acting like he ain't know what to play.
He done this nigga DJ. That shit crazy. Back when I used to DJ, it was geeking to get in the club and shit. That nigga used to geek. He used to be in my DMs asking me, can he DJ on my tour and all that. Shit, once you do something on your own, bro, you don't be trying.
Okay. You don't even want to ask for nothing or look at nobody favors.
I'm like, bro, what I need you for? We already hit.
Good. Job halfway done already.